Hey guys, so I believe I found my new favorite tool here. This is a 7-in-1 ratcheting impact rated stubby screwdriver nut driver. So I'm gonna get this thing open and we'll do a full review of it, but I can promise you that this is my new favorite tool, hands down favorite tool. All right, and congrats to Klein Tools for making this thing, but we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've got this opened up here and out of the box. It's a really nice looking little tool. This gray collar right here is how you change the rotation of the ratchet. So that to the left is tighten, and to the right is loosen, and in the middle is just regular screwdriver mode. This has a 1/4-inch nut driver on one side. And hang on, let me get it pulled out. These are a little difficult to separate when they're new. However, as you use it and it wears in, it gets easier to separate. But there is a 5/16, and these are flip bits in the end, just so you know. This is a number 2 Phillips with a 1/4-inch flat on one side, and this is a number 1 Phillips with that is the 1/4-inch on one side. This is 3/16. So again, these are little flip bits. You can get replacements, and then of course you've got the 5/16 nut driver and the 1/4-inch nut driver, and these are compatible with any Klein Connect setup. So if you have the bigger version of this, the bits will fit in the stubby ratchet, and if you have the bigger version of this, the stubby ratchet bits will fit in the larger version. So absolutely my favorite tool from Klein Tools, maybe of all time. Ratcheting stubby with this many attachments is awesome. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I will put a link for this below. And thank you to Klein Tools for making this tool. I am not sponsored by Klein Tools, but I love them, so I keep making videos. Thank y'all for watching and have a great day.